Hi everyone, I'm Senator Shelley Capito. It is a pleasure to speak with all of you today, and I'm just so sorry I can't be there in person. I have been so many years in the past. I'm always honored to spend time with West Virginia's future leaders, and Boys State is something I look forward to every year. A huge big thank you to Robbie Robinson and Matt Sampson for your leadership and for making Boys State such a success. I'd also like to thank the American Legion for the incredible work that they do all year round. You all represent the very best of West Virginia. By being here, you've demonstrated an interest in serving our state and learning how the legislative process works. And although it has its challenges, it is also incredibly rewarding. It takes a love of your country, a commitment to working with everyone, especially those you disagree with, and a desire to be great servant leaders. The American people want a government that works for them, and they deserve that. The tools that you are learning this week here at Boys State will make each of you more effective leaders and provide you the skills needed to efficiently serve your communities, your county, your state, and your country. Another way you can serve your country is by attending a service academy, and many Boys State graduates have. Each year, I have the honor of nominating young West Virginians like you for admission to our nation's prestigious service academies. Attending a service academy is a valuable opportunity for many reasons and can help open countless doors throughout your future. Regardless of your plans, I want you to know that West Virginia supports you. No matter where your future endeavors lead you, remember that country roads will always lead you home. And so, I'd just like to say thank you again and best wishes for a fantastic Boys State this week.